Hey and welcome to this new video of learning and mastering Symfony 2. So in this video we will learn how to read data from the database and read it to our navigator or as output. So first I will go to controller, so controller, post controller, and I will here we have function named show action. I will use this function. So first I will comment this, and I will use the doctrine again, but first I need a variable, so I will name it repository post equal this, and after that get doctrine, and in doctrine we will also call another function named repository. Get repository as here, and here in the parameter we need to specify which table, for example, or which entity, that means which table. So let's say it in the log bundle, and the name of the entity is post, so semicolon. After that let's create new variable, for example posts, and equal to our repository post, and a new function in it that it's find all, semicolon. So now we put all this post, think they are two in post or in here in this variable. Now let's see what inside this post with you know it, basically if you are a PHP developer, with var dump. So var dump, and we give her an object, and or for this moment it's the posts. So posts, and here because we say that every function in Symfony needs to return something, so let's return for the moment just a response. So new response, yeah, let's name it get data. Now let's go to our navbar and execute this path navbar, but to here the navigator, I think it post show enter, and here is the var dump. It's tells that the title here in private string it's title 1, and but this output, like, it's not nice, so let's make it a little bit nicer. So instead of the var dump, let's use print r. So print r, so we know that this print r it's used when we want, for example, to show table or an object, and basically, and now this post it's an object of a table. So let's make it even more pretty with tag pretty of HTML. So let's and now let's close the tag, and let's close the tag pretty. Let's save it now. Let's go and refresh. Now it's more beautiful than before. Here the response get data array, so this entity, so this is the ID, title, description here I think is the slug, yeah, it's still empty, and the active it's 1, and here to the other thing, for example second data, the title to description slug it's always empty, and the active it's 1. Now how about if I want to get just the one with the ID, for example, equal 2. So how can I do that? Let's go to our code editor, and here we replace find all by find, and as parameter we give it, for example, the name or the number of ID. So find 2, for example. Let's save it. Let's go to the dash to navigator, refresh, and we will see just this one. See just one with ID equal to 2. Now how about if I want to search but not with the ID, but for example with title? So I will go here and type find 1 by, and now we specific by what other field we want to search with. In our case with title, so find 1 by title, and here we put title, so let's give it title 1, so title 1. Let's save. Let's go again to navigator, refresh, and here see it search with the one who has title 1. Now we have title 1, description 1, and ID it's 1. Now how about if I want to search by this active, and I want to, for example, to see as output just the one who active is true. So how we can do that? But first let's go and add third one, and this time with false, as so post. Let's add now slug, set slug, yeah, and let's give it slug 3 since it's a varchar, and here let's make 0. Here title number 3 and number 3. So now let's go to post create. So post create, enter, so that we can add the new line. Yeah, created. Let's go refresh and see add created with active it's false. Now we want to search by active it's true. So let's go here and no, let's go to here, find by active, and not one, we want all, so we will just delete this one, and here active equal to 1. Let's save it. Let's go now to post show. Do we need to have 2 as output, 2 line? So post show just first and second. See, now just first and second, because in church we have active it's false. So now the question here is, can we search but not with just one feature, but with 2, for example active and something else? So now you want to know that this find method it has 4 parameter. So first parameter is an array or a table. So here we can say the name, for example our article equal 1. If we want to make another for example title or something, comma, and type it since it is a table. And here it's not, forget this. So if we want to add another, just comma and type it. And second is sorting. For example, let's make it sorting by title. So title, and with, for example, ACS, and the third one is the limit. So for example, paramix id, the limit here article 1, so limit, let's put 2, and the fourth or the last is parameter, or it's the paramorph or the index of. The fourth is the offset, or when he will begin searching. And we say like begin from the first or from 0. So now if I save, now let's go on and check in the navigator. So refresh, it will basically give us, I think, the same output because the both have active 1. Some error in here, something I didn't write correctly. So let me see. Yeah, here I forget to name by. So find by, save, yeah, find by, save. Let's go now and refresh the page. Refresh. Still something wrong. So I will see again. Here I instead of writing active, I put article. So active, save, and this is what he basically told me here, I recognize field article, because it doesn't exist. So active now, yeah, just 2. If I said no, for example, I want to show just 0, we have just 1. So let's go here and put 0. Let's save, go again, refresh, and he will give us just the third one with like tree, yeah, title tree and description tree. Now let's change sorting. Let's adjust another, make it to 2, and in sorting let's make it disk. Save. Here if I don't want him, for example, to show us all, here instead of 2 I will put null. But since I know that we have just 2 active, I let it 2, but just let's give it null. Let's save, and here, yeah, we changed the title or the sorting. So now he will start with title 2, then title 1 in here. Those are the 2 with the active ones. See, so title 2 and then title 1, because we change here in the sorting. Video, let's make me show you. If you want, for example, with 2 parameters, so comma and title, for example, title here equal to title 1. Save, go again and refresh, and we need to see just this. Yeah, so now we know how to search with 2 criteria, the active and title. So this is all for this video.